If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello folks, Larry here, and welcome back to my jungle. Yes, the one and only mail call on Larry's Fountain Pens Review. Okay, so what do I actually review on this channel? Well, if you kept up with my channel, I do a little bit of this and that. You know, pens and pen accessories, of course, the bags, hats, belts, bow ties, ties, socks, you name it, a little bit of everything. And that's kind of cool because it gives the people, in my opinion, something that they might be interested in. So let me show you on a mail call that I've gotten my back. And this is British Sterling. And I have a little bottle of the English leather as well. These go back to my days growing up, which I really love these men's colognes. And also the JD's cologne, which I just love. It's really cool stuff. And, you know, that's my thing, and that's what I do.
And that makes me wonder, vintage-wise, did you ever use High Karate?
Yes, I did as well. High Karate was good stuff. Now, you can get all these on eBay. The British Sterling is not too bad, and the English leather. But when you get down to the JD's and the High Karate, it's going to cost you a little more. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes, it is, because, hey, I like what it does for me. It smells good. It just feels good on me. So, cool. Now, let's talk about these little buddies right here. The Grip 6. Coming in pretty good, Mr. Announcer. Yes. I'm going to show you what they look like inside. Now, I've done reviews for Grip 6 back in 2015, 2016, in that area. And so, I get to do it again. And thank you very much, Grip 6. So, and this is what's cool about these belts. Once you buy a Grip 6 belt buckle, you never need to worry about another belt or buckle again. And we will post some videos on here to give you in detail how they go on, how you can adjust them. Very simple, very simple. If I can do it, you can too. So let's take this one out. And I wanted a picture of this very cool ant with a pen on it. See, pretty good?
Rotate it. Let's do this. Okay, got it.
All right. Very cool. And I will be putting it on later, taking it off, and show you how simple it is. Now, the Grip makes their belts here in the United States. And they make them right the first time. If you're not happy with it, you can get in touch with them, and they're going to tell you what you need to do. And if they need to replace it, it's not a problem. They stand behind the products. Good old USA. Now, here's another one I asked them, could they do for me? I asked them to do both buckles, in fact. Okay? Because that's what I wanted to show you. And they did. So here's the next one. See that pretty good?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now you can order the belt. They have different packages to choose from. So you can get the belt and the buckle. Or if you want to change out belt colors, you can do that, just a belt. Whatever it is, they're there for you. And again, they're not going to rip you off because it's USA. They stand behind the products. And that, in my book, is worth all the oil in Texas. Speaking of oil, so be sure to keep an eye out for this upcoming Dynamite review. Could be a lot of fun. Speaking of Halloweens, have y'all met my friends over here? Dun 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 dun. Where did you go? My werewolf of London. See a werewolf? And there's old Frankie baby. And then there's old Dracula. Look at that. Yes, sir. I think my minions are asleep right now. So let's go ahead and move on to the grip again. Now the grip 6 has come out with some new line of products. And if you go to the website, you can just Google in grip 6 and it'll pull it up. And you can go to the website. They have billfolds, they have socks, they have just a whole lot of other different products they've been putting out. And now we got the socks. Now these socks are pretty cool. You have the Rocky Mountain wool. These are both Rocky Mountain wool in different colors. And this is the ankle, I believe. Yep, little ankle. And then you've got the one, I guess, to the knee high. But really, really nice stuff. And we'll show you this later as well. So you want to stay tuned because we got some really cool things coming up. Now we're not done yet. Let me see. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Isn't this exciting? Halloween just around the corner. I love Halloween. I don't know about Mr. Announcer, but I do. So, here we go. Now, this box came in a few days ago from my good friend, Miss Liz. Yes. And I have no idea what it is. She kind of surprised me. Just like when this came in from Mr. Will Hodges. And he sent me my, what was that, the...
Tasmanian Devil.
Yeah, I don't know if I showed that or not. I need to do that. That little monster's a kick monster. Yes, he is.
He did show up on one of the Zooms.
Oh, good. And thank you, Will Hodges. There. How's that? Here we go. Well, I've been in here cleaning up. Really didn't get nowhere. And Mr. Announcer came in here and cleaned it up. He got more than I did. And then I've been doing a little reconstruction of the eyeballs and the rib cages. So, I want to apologize to everybody, first of all, because I've not been able to put out videos like I used to. There's a lot of work involved, and, my health has been up and down. And I'll share with you one day what's going on with me. I want you to know that when I do a video, for me, it's really putting the effort into it. I struggle. I have to fight to get in here because of my problem. But you have to fight. And I enjoy what I do. And I enjoy you guys out there. You come before everything. So here we go. All right, Liz is by her computer and she's looking. And she's got her little doggies with her. And the animals. And we're all at the zoo. Zoom! Here we go. And look what Liz sent me. Oh, isn't that sweet, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, we can always use more bubble wrap.
Thank you, Liz. Alright, so, wow, big old box and wow. Oh, she did. Okay, y'all know I'm a squirrel fan, right?
Oh, wow.
It's a picnic table. Sam would love this, wouldn't he? Yeah, we got to get your picture of Sam. Sam is a giant fatty. He will sit there and eat almost all day long. He won't let his cousins or family go eat till he's done. And then the birds have to fight, and he fight them back. So, look at that. That is cool. A picnic table for Sam from Lisa. Hello. Hello. I love you. Won't you tell me your name? All right, now that's Uno. Go. And I can even count to 3. I just can't fake it. All right, now we got another one coming. There's more to come. There's more with the show. And then I'm going to do a video on a very exciting, in my opinion, Jin Hao fountain pen. It's really going to blow you away. This Jin Hao is super duper bad boy. I mean, it kicks. And I'm proud to say that, hey, I give it a thumbs up. When I give the review, you're going to dig why, okay? So right now, let's go ahead and we're going to open this one. And a special thank you to Galen. And he's from Mr. Announcer.
Galen Leather.
And his name is Janus.
Well, I can remember
Well, that's good enough. How
which one's which.
Yeah,
There's Yusuf, I think, and I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. I don't remember the other name.
Eunice, yes, I'm sorry, sir. But thank you very much. It's him and his brother. And if you remember when I've been doing videos for Galen pens, his wife passed away some years ago with cancer. And this was her dream, to have all this put together to help people like us live the dream with her, to have all the accessories available at an affordable price. Is he high-end? He can be on some things. There's a lot of work, a lot of detail that goes into the product. So, Enos has 2 boys now and his brother, and he's all over the country promoting his goods. Then he has his staff working in Istanbul, Turkey. So the man is out and about, working hard, very vigorous worker, and his brother does a darn good job as well, putting things together. So here we go. If anything you like to see, let me know, and I'll see if I can get it. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. First, I'm going to show you the belt. Now, this belt is not just your any kind of belt. Ooh, put it around my neck, isn't that right? This goes, can you guess what this goes to? Dun, 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 dun.
A dog harness?
Yeah, almost. No. It's going to go on the Jefferson.
Oh, that's the writing desk
Yeah,
thing.
on the writing desk
Okay.
thing. Yes, right there. And I will show you on my next review up how this goes on. And thank you again. Galleon rocks. Rocking the world day by day. And of course, I'll open this up later. You're always going to get one of these, okay? It's I got all kind of goodies inside from Galen. I even like, all the nice detail they do on their bags. They have a lot of pride in their work, and they should, because they put out quality work. Now, here we go. Now, what is this thing in here? This is a box. All right, Galleon Leather and Company, handmade since 2012. And so we're going to open this up. Hand stitch, remember, hand stitch, well aged, the secret. All handmade. So we're going to open this up. Ooh, look at this. Here we go. I like the feel of the leather. Feels really nice. And Galen Leather Company has on the back, handmade, and it gives the date. And then you go up front, and you just feel this. Feels really nice to the touch. It's not hard, it's not soft, it's just right in my opinion. And look at this awesome zipper. And there'll be more under this when I do the review. So we're going to slide this off. What do you say, Mr. Announcer?
Sure.
Good. La 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 la, I think. So, I like to tell you what's up with me, but I think we should wait for another day, shouldn't you?
Yeah, we have a few details to go through.
But I just can't make it. When are we going to practice again, Jam, just you and I? We haven't done that in a long time since we've both been ill, right?
True.
I'd like to do that song by Simon and Garfunkel, The Zoo, or 96 Tears. I wish we could meet with Tony sometime and just jam out. But anyway, of course I have to do some Beatles songs with me. Yep, got a whole bunch of them. So anyway, let's open her up. Mr. Galed, at your service. I am your servant. Here we go. There it is. I mean, you have enough stuff in here to do your thing with. You can put your notebook, and I believe this might be an A5. You know, I'm not really sure until I get into it more. But place for your pens, credit cards. You can put your inks in here. You can put your cable cords in here. You can put whatever you can fit in here. It's going to go in here. So, and I like these the way they slide in and slide out. So that's going to cover that. And what I think I'll do, I might just have instead of doing a bunch of separate on Galen products, I might just do a whole line of Galen products. What do you think? Get them on that one channel. Get them down so they can look at. What do you think?
That'd be good.
Yeah, that way y'all can just drool at the luxurious, the lovely, awesome work of Galen leather. Because really, actually, the truth, it is. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. Or I wouldn't be telling you it's worth it. Now, when I get a product in here that's not up to par, I will let you know the truth. No, I'm not going to dog them. But I'll tell you the truth. And if it's real bad, I will first get in touch with a seller and let them know the problems I have, to give them a chance to correct it. Because, you know, we all work hard in this life to achieve our goals. And this is their livelihood. So, dogging anybody, in my opinion, does not do them any good. It's not going to benefit anybody. But with Galen leather, you don't have any problem, amigo. Okay, I'm back, my little Halloween ghouls. Beware what lingers in the dark. So, come to me, and I will show you the way. Here is one awesome Jinhao fountain pen. Not to be reckoned with. This is one bad boy. Now, I know what you're saying, Chinese, 159, blah, blah, blah. No, the Chinese 159. Bad boy. When I took this out of the bag, the color was amazing. So, I'm going to end this video now with this mail call. Then the next video, I am going to be doing a review on this beautiful, marvelous, awesome, in my humble opinion, Jinhao 159. Thanks, everybody. Happy Halloween! Don't forget, subscribe, hit the button. Bye-bye.